Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a digital signature block in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Then we go to the insert menu, select the text box option and draw a text box. Then go to the insert menu again, select the shape drop down menu. Now I am select the line shape. Then draw the line shape into this text box horizontally. Press and hold the shift and draw the line perfectly. Select the line shape. Go to the shape format menu. Choose shape outline, select the black color. Increase the width of the outline. Then you can write or draw your signature to this digital block. Now we can see we create this digital signature block in Excel easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.